You are watching an ORACLOUD Plus Training as a Service video snippet. Snippets are concise, targeted tutorials explaining how to use, configure, integrate, deploy, and support Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications. Snippets are delivered via FAST, the Fusion Application Support Tool. FAST is accessible via the web at www.oracloud.plus. No more watching hours of Learning Path style videos to get to the 5-minute snippet you need. Learn Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications in minutes, not hours. Hello and welcome to the Requester, Preparer, and Advanced Requester video presentation. This video is intended for Fusion Procurement Cloud beginners looking to learn the different types of requesters and what each type can do. It walks through the 3 different types of requesters found in Fusion Procurement Cloud. This video snippet, as within all video snippets, can be found within ORACLOUD Plus's FAST. That's our Fusion Application Support Tool. Within FAST, go to the Procurement Cloud Training Group, the Purchase Requisitions Training Center, and this is under the Learn, Action, or Menu option. If you don't have access to FAST, you can email us at access@oracloud.plus, give us your name and contact information, and make sure to set the title to FAST Access Request. Okay, so key topics for this presentation are as follows: Requester, Preparer Requester, and Advanced Requester. First up, Requester. So it's pretty simple. Requester can request both catalog items you see on the left and non-catalog items you see here on the right. The role is listed below. Next is the Preparer Requester. So the Preparer Requester can do both catalog and non-catalog requesting, just like the requester can. But as you can see on the right here, during the review step, the Preparer Requester has the additional privilege or ability to set a different requester, meaning to be able to request on behalf of, or OBO, another requester. Again, the role is listed here at the bottom. And so lastly then, we have the Advanced Requester. So you can see the catalog, or the ability to catalog request, here on the left, but this requester has an additional page for entering requisitions lines where they have access to more fields. And so the other requester needs to wait, the casual requester or regular requester needs to wait till they get to the review page to see a lot of this information, whereas the advanced requester will see it as he or she is entering that particular requisition line. And then lastly, as always, the role is down there on the bottom. Okay, so are you ready for the next video? Do you understand the 3 different types of requesters, their roles, and what each type can do? If the answer is no, then either watch again or feel free to reach out to me directly. You can see here on the left, that's my email address, and I'm always available to answer questions. If the answer is yes, great, then maybe you want to watch more video. So you can go to our playlist out on YouTube by going to YouTube and searching on ORACLOUD Plus Inc. Or you can go from our website to the tool we call FAST, the Fusion Application Support Tool, and you can access the full catalog of our Learn, Use, Configure, Integrate, Deploy, and Support videos online. So that's it for this tutorial. We hope you found it informative, and keep watching.